Now let's see purchase of materials and EOQ. EOQ stands for economic order quantity. What are the steps in purchasing process? Let's see one by one. Purchase requisition, supplier selection and quotation, receiving purchase order and making goods receipt note, and finally invoice verification and payment. And what is economic ordering quantity? It is a mathematical model that determines the ideal order quantity, minimizing total inventory cost. EOQ is equal to square root of 2ds divided by H. D stands for annual demand, S stands for ordering cost per order, and H stands for holding, or else we can say that carrying cost per unit per year. The goal of preparing EOQ is balance between ordering cost and holding cost.